The crescent moon of Zulhijjah has been sighted in Tamim, Saudi Arabia, and Eid al-Azha will be celebrated there on 6th June. The announcement was made by the Saudi Supreme Court after multiple confirmations across the kingdom. This means the sacred month of Zulhijjah will begin on Wednesday, 28 May. The Hajj pilgrimage will start on 4th June and the day of Arafah, a day of fasting and reflection, will be observed on 5th June. Meanwhile, in India, Eid al-Azha, also known as Bakrid or Eid al-Zuha, will be celebrated on 7th June, subject to local moon sighting as well. Eid al-Azha marks the spirit of sacrifice, commemorating the unwavering faith of Prophet Ibrahim a.s., his wife Hajira a.s., and their son Prophet Ismail a.s. The festival is observed on the 10th of Zulhijjah and aligns with the annual Hajj, a mandatory religious obligation for all able Muslims.